You are not an entrepreneur if you are seeking investors. We spoke about this on a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please find the link in the description. Money is not the target to earn money. Why do you do business? To earn money? In that case, you will earn money for sure, but not sure for how long. Money should not be the target to earn money from your customers or clients. Satisfaction should be the target. Satisfaction is such a powerful result, even it fades if your product or service is not worth for the price paid. But the client or customer gets satisfied, that's all about it. They don't even bother about the worth. Let me tell you how. I still recommend the price of the product should tally the worth of it, but the satisfaction is most powerful. Even your satisfaction is also so important, so that you will also love to continue to target the satisfaction of your client or customer, which automatically earns money for you. If you target the money, you will start using low quality oil to earn maximum margin. If you target satisfaction, then you will try to provide good taste, cleanliness, ambience, etc. It may be on food, or even X rupees worth of coffee can also be sold for 5x rupees, not because of the ingredients, because of the satisfaction of taste, cleanliness and ambience, or etc. Money is not the target to earn money. Satisfaction should be the target when money automatically comes to you. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We'll try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on Money Saved is Not Money Earned.